Isn't that cute?
Yeah.
Okay, you can come out of the thing now. How freaking cute.
Are those cute?
Oh,
Those
that's
are
on your
awesome.
hair. No.
Well, they're made to just with little pieces of hair at a
It's
time.
like, cute. Ow! Sorry. I would wear, I think this would be cute.
Oh, like, for this next thing that I was
It's
doing
two of
with Laura. Also,
One will stretch around your neck and you put one like on your ankle.
Yeah, those little tiny
I
ones.
really like that.
I knew you guys liked those things, so.
Poor cat
I was
sticking
like,
that.
shaking the eyeshadow.
I didn't have any the first place I went, so I had to.
Well, I got
find the
eyeshadow
second
this
place.
first.
Snow Blossom.
Okay, go open
I
yours, Mom.
might have to steal
The
some of your
second
mask
one's
or your
not
cover up
working,
today.
Okay.
Well, I need a toothbrush.
Your
I
toothbrush.
got a toothbrush.
Somebody have like a scissors so I can cut these things off. They're all freaking sharp.
Yeah, Kate, we got the scissors.
Control your life.
What's that? Body.
Sweet. That's
No.
cool.
What does that say?
It doesn't say anything.
That does.
Oh, I didn't think it did.
Oh, no, don't. They're just rings.
I think they're pretty rings.
Yeah, they are.
I got a receipt
Restless,
for that
Jeff.
too if you want to trade it for another style. They have like
No,
confused, irritable,
maybe we
stressed.
can,
Learn how to take charge of your feelings. You can
Wasn't that supposed to be in her stocking?
No, she got the other one.
That's cute. Maybe I can start wearing jewelry.
Okay.
Oh, that's
Yes,
cute.
Every
No,
time
no,
it's
they
stressed.
wear
It's so beautiful on your long fingers.
Oh. I like this black one. Oh, yeah, that's so cute.
you need a ring.
Need
Some
jewelry.
kind of jewelry.
Why? You're trying to tell
Be
me something.
careful, son.
So you need jewelry? Yeah.
Why?
Because it's cheap. Alright, well, let me rephrase that.
Uno,
You
dos,
need
tres. Cuatro, cinco, cinco, seis.
Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, cinco, seis.
There's actually only
Well,
cinco.
go to your fingers.
Yeah,
I will.
Yeah.
Got another one.
That one's more, I don't know, funky or dressy or got more stuff on it. Does it go with-
So you want me to do that for you before you jab yourself to death?
It's a nice one.
Alright. I'm serious. Keep your eyes away from the point of that scissors.
You just can't get it.
I'll do it for you if you want. Let me
Oh.
get that out of there first.
Candy, candy,
Here.
candy.
It's really in there well.
Yeah, and I'll
Let
take
me
your
get
empty
that.
stockings when you're done, so I'll take these packed away.
check out mine, boo.
Well, it's wired,
Little
Joe.
flowers on it.
I know.
Good, pretty?
Yeah,
that's
cool. Stretch the size of my neck. I don't think it's in
The
that
bottom
one.
is ready for Sure it does.
Oh, it's got this adjustable thing. Damn the man! Okay.
Whoa, you got lots of candy in there, little guy. Big guy. I realized so much candy was in there.
Oh, cool, they have stuff that
Are
you
you
can
done with your last little wrappings there, Lala?
Yeah. I can pick like if it matches my outfit. Thank you, Mom.
They put, didn't they? Oh yes, they sure did want this to stay put.
Can't believe I'm leaving my baby out there.
I was freaking out because I'm like, I'm not going to be able to do my hair for Christmas because I don't have a curling iron.
There is no way to reseal this thing. To rip it apart
Here,
to get to
Mom.
these damn straps.
Man, this is
Merry
BS.
Christmas to me.
What if
Frick, frick.
you're not supposed to take it out, Chris?
The Tigger?
What's
Oh,
that?
it's just wrapped around that thing.
Take the
Now
open
I'm
it
ripping
up
this
and
whole
it comes
thing.
out of the bottom. Maybe.
Oh, pretty! Pretty, pretty earrings.
I picked those out. I thought
Those
you,
are
I thought
gorgeous.
They look good for Christmas. Nice
They
pair
look
of
very
gold
nice.
You stole those.
I didn't steal those.
I
I
said
got
no.
those.
You said no.
See?
Oh, no.
See, you need to take it out.
Yeah, he comes out.
Or
Okay, I hope this is a certificate from Nails for
Shut up.
And you guys both can go to nail
Cool.
Same day.
It is.
Look, it has little slides. Like there's like wool and dog hair and honeybee legs. Did you get a
Yeah.
punch card too?